Welcome to RCC Math video series, video number 024A. This video contains an introduction to the metric system. The metric system is a measurement system used by most of the world. All of the conversions use the same place values that are used in the base 10 numeration system. That would be the decimal system. The base unit of length in the metric system is the meter. A meter is just a little longer than a yard. The base unit of mass in the metric system is the gram. And the base unit of capacity, or volume, that is, how much a container will hold, in the metric system is the liter. A liter is just a little larger than a quart. All multiple and submultiple units are based on powers of 10. Greek prefixes kilo, hecto, and deca are used for multiple units, and Latin prefixes deci, centi, and milli are used for submultiple units. The following page shows the metric prefixes, their meanings, and their symbols. Kilo means 1,000, hecto means 100, deca means 10, deci means 1/10 or 0.1, centi means 1/100th or 0.01, and milli means 1/1000th or 0.001. We use the following prefixes. K is the abbreviation for kilo, H for hecto, DA for deca to differentiate it from deci. So DA is for deca, D for deci, C for centi, and M for milli. Let's look at some examples. cm represents centimeters. C is for the prefix centi, M for the base unit meters. Kg represents kilograms, K for kilo, G for grams. ML represents milliliters, M for milli, L for liters. Now let's look at some examples of what these measurements actually look like. I have with me a ruler. The side closest to me has inches. The side away from me at the top has centimeters. 0 to 1 that represents 1 centimeter. And so on. The little itty-bitty marks in between are millimeters. Those are very small. To give you some perspective, I'm going to put my finger in here so you can get an idea of the width there. So that looks like about 1.5 centimeters, something like that. And I believe my thumb is closer to about 2 centimeters wide. So my thumb is about 2 centimeters. So centimeters are similar to inches as far as the types of things you would measure. Okay, the next one we're going to look at is a liter. You have probably purchased a 2-liter bottle of soda in the store, but may not know what 1 liter looks like. So here's a 1-liter container. Notice 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, and in between. On the other side, we've got a quart. So you can see that a quart and a 1 liter are similar. And let me give you some perspective here. I'm going to put my hand in here so you can see about how large it is. So it's about as deep as my hand fully extend up to the joint with my thumb there. And it's a good size. My hand fits in there easily. So again, that's 1 liter. 1 liter. And then finally, let's talk about the gram. The gram is very small. Here is a gram. Here's some perspective. Here's my fingernail. Very, very, very small. I'll turn it upright. You get an idea of its diameter that way. Turning it back on its side. Very small. So that's a gram. And here is a kilogram. You may have even heard the thump when I dropped it there. Much larger around. Much taller. Give you an idea. It fits pretty well in the palm of my hand. Kilograms are used to give a person's weight, much like we use pounds in the American system. And this is quite heavy, actually, this kilogram. It's about the size of my hand. Now, as far as working with these measurements, instead of having to deal with 1 millimeter equals 1 over 1,000 meters, or 0.001 meters, the conversion can be rewritten to avoid having these fractions and decimals, as I've indicated in the table below. These are our conversions for length in the metric system. Please copy these down as I read them to you. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. 10 decimeters equal 1 meter. 100 centimeters equal 1 meter. And 1,000 millimeters equal 1 meter. Now, to obtain the other conversions that we need, we simply replace the M for meters with L for liters and G for grams, and keep the prefixes as they were to obtain the rest of the conversions. So these are our capacity conversions. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liters. 1 hectoliter is equal to 100 liters. 1 decaliter is equal to 10 liters. 10 deciliters equal 1 liter. 100 centiliters equal 1 liter. And 1,000 milliliters equal 1 liter. Similarly, we have the conversions for mass. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 hectogram is equal to 100 grams. 1 decagram is equal to 10 grams. 10 decigrams equal 1 gram. 100 centigrams equal 1 gram. And 1,000 milligrams equal 1 gram.